what number am I? And that's important in that.
What?
When I'm done,
Here she goes. Picking it up a little.
What? Let's pass the car.
My goodness.
Remember that game that we do this?
So Alex, we want to hear what number Lindsay is now, where you put her.
We do this with the car.
Okay.
The guy is not done yet. And then you go over there. No, I will open here.
Okay.
No, I'm not done yet.
Will this ever end? I don't think so. Should I go check out Noah and Aaron and come back to Lindsay so you can see what Noah and Aaron are doing? Okay. Here we are. Here's Noah. Noah, what are you doing over here?
It's a video for Alex and Kate and John.
Say hi.
Playing cars, the little car, with the guy, and there's that you got from Alex and Kate, from you guys.
We're playing with your cars. Thank you.
Thank you. I like it.
Okay, Noah, Aaron, tell them you're playing with...
Lindsay.
Say thank you for the cars. I love them.
And a car, then.
Yeah, he's playing a lot.
Don't tell them that.
Why?
Because it'll make them sad.
Why?
About I don't like the present.
Okay, here. And here is Lindsay still hula hooping. She has not stopped since we were last videotaping her. I think she deserves to have a very high number. Whoa, nice going, Lindsay. Talk to you later.
Bye.